You just finished building your brand new gaming PC. You spent hours picking out the perfect components, you saved up for months, and now you finally hit the power button, only to see no signal. This is one of the most frustrating things that can happen. And trust me, I get it. I've helped countless people with this exact same problem. And the good news is, it's an easy fix. In most cases, it's not a faulty GPU. It's actually a simple BIOS issue that you can solve in just a few minutes. So stick around and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. Alright, so the first thing you need is a USB drive. Make sure it's formatted to FAT32. Once your USB is ready, you'll need to go to your manufacturer's website. From here, you're going to search for your specific motherboard model and find the drivers and utilities section. You're looking for BIOS and firmware. You'll see a list of different versions. You want to download the latest one. Once it's downloaded, it'll likely be in a zip file. Go ahead and unzip it. Inside this folder, you'll find a couple of files. There might be a renaming tool that automatically gives the BIOS file a specific name the motherboard recognizes. If there isn't a renamer tool, the file will usually be named something like your motherboard model number .cap. Now you just want to copy this file onto your USB drive. Real quick, I want to let you know about the guides I've created for you to download. After the video, check the links in the description to get yours. Now for the hardware part. Before you do anything else, make sure your computer is shut down. Next, you're going to remove your graphics card. You'll be using the integrated graphics to display a picture until the update is complete. If your computer doesn't have integrated graphics, you'll need to find an older GPU that will work in the meantime. Before you continue, make sure you understand the following steps very well. You could brick your motherboard if you remove power from your computer or remove the USB during this process. This is very important to remember. With the GPU out, take your USB drive and plug it into the specific flashback port on the back of your computer. This port is usually labeled Flash or BIOS Flashback and is often right next to the small button. If you don't see a specific port labeled this way, again, it's generally the one closest to the flashback button itself. Your computer should be off but still plugged into the wall with the power supply switch flipped to the on position. Now locate the BIOS flashback button on your motherboard. It's often a small button near the USB port we just used. Press and hold this button for about 3 seconds. You'll see a light start to flash on the motherboard. This light is your indicator that the BIOS update is in progress. The flashing might continue for a few minutes. Do not turn off your computer or remove the USB during this time. You could brick your motherboard. Once the light stops flashing, the update is complete. You can now power on your computer. You may see text on your display indicating the BIOS flashback is finishing its process. And there you have it. The BIOS update is done. From here, you can power down your PC, reinstall your new graphics card, and boot back up. The motherboard should now recognize your card and you'll be ready to get back to gaming. Let me know in the comments if this solved your problem. If you like this video, make sure you check out this other one for more tips on how to get the most from your tech devices. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.